New at 4, D.C.'s Attorney General has filed a major lawsuit against some of the district's largest landlords and the tech company RealPage Incorporated.
The lawsuit claims the landlords and RealPage colluded to artificially raise rents on more than 50,000 apartments in the city. Our Larry Miller has been digging into this for about a year, and he has brand new information from the AG's office.
Tonight, a new lawsuit filed by D.C.'s Attorney General Brian Schwab, alleging 14 of the district's largest landlords and RealPage Inc. coordinated with each other to manipulate rent prices on thousands of D.C. residents.
We're effectively alleging price fixing in the rental market through a housing cartel. So rather than having a competitive market where landlords compete with one another to attract tenants with hopefully lower rents, we have an increase in the amount of rents through an absence of competition.
Some of the landlords named in the suit include Avalon Bay Communities, Inc., Bozzuto Management Company, UDR, Inc., to name a few. The lawsuit alleges the tech company RealPage, Inc. collected vast amounts of rental data here in Washington and nationwide with the intent to use that information to manipulate the market by coordinating and setting artificially inflated prices.
This is a massive problem across the market here in the District of Columbia. We allege in our complaint that more than 50,000 units in the District of Columbia, rental units, are impacted by the landlords that are participating in this conspiracy
and this collusion.
Earlier this year, we spoke with Dean Harvey, an attorney representing plaintiffs in a lawsuit filed in California against RealPage Inc. and various landlords.
RealPage goes much further than that, and it makes unit-specific recommendations. And it doesn't just provide information, but in many instances, it sets the prices directly. And the company doesn't just get the information and decide what to do. RealPage makes it difficult for a company to make a choice other than what is recommended. That is not how a lawful market works.
Ultimately, the lawsuit alleges it's the renters who end up paying the price. The case filed by D.C.'s Attorney General joins others made against RealPage Inc. from coast to coast. Attorney General Brian Schwab hopes that his lawsuit will do several things: stop RealPage and the named landlords from artificially raising rent prices, appoint a corporate monitor, and secure final compensation.
To drive what is already a very unaffordable city for too many people to higher levels of unaffordability is unacceptable. And we're going to continue to fight every day for DC residents to try to make sure DC is as affordable as it can be for as many people as possible.
Larry Miller, WUSA 9.